The 44 Raimavelly Gandhatwisa IPFT Division Committee, led by its President Charanbashi Tripura, officially welcomed 49 new voters from 13 families into the party. The new members were inducted in two separate events. 14 voters from 5 families joined the party, marked by the hoisting of the party flag. Following this, 35 voters from 8 families were also welcomed into the IPFT. Ahead of the ADC election, there has been a joining program in different parties. Under the initiative of the 44 Raimavelly Gandhatwisa IPFT Division Committee, 14 voters from 5 families in Chokidar Para, Charanbashi Tripura's residents were welcomed by hoisting the IPFT party flag. And in Rajsana Para, 35 voters from 8 families were welcomed by hosting the IPFT party flag. 44 Raimavelly Gandhatwisa IPFT Division Committee President Charanbashi Tripura was present along with others.
Puila bela hambai press media and print media romo Chini koilangsing অঞ্চল be khobjak Chini Rasdon Parago kaisa chikonsa Chini joining program o program kubuni botol yakaroi Chini ro total 8 poribarni 35 voter Chini ro Chini party ni bana romfaika bongno ani ব্যক্তিগত তরফ এবং ডিভিশন পক্ষ থেকে বংনো খাকা হামতাই হামবাই আপারো Chini অবহাই কেন মিয়া হরব মিয়া সারিংনে সানজা জরাগো ani tongthai nungo Chini dolopoti bisinibo 5 poribarni Chini total 15 voter Chini party ni bana romfaijak obhai kene Chini buskangbo Chini joining program tongo Chini kotorsi kon kabangma jagano ko daily ni Chini joining program ongui tongo khaklayo buskangni dino jung iro arno shoktisali ungna jung khakayo Chini Raimavelly ni Chini Gandhatwisa division party IPFT ni Chini যারা তাংফাং তৈফাং এবং চিনি লিডারশিপনি নেতৃত্বে যত জায়গাওনো जों জয়নিং প্রোগ্রাম খাইতো
In the coming days, various joining and orientation programs from IPFT will be organized. Reporter Biplov from Dolai, Chini Khorang.